an interview, but
and like took the springs
now we're talking
off
about
and
specs
put
on
just
his
the
Miata
spring
with
on that
somebody
car
else.
because the spring
This
rate's
happens
a
every
lot
time.
stiffer.
It's going to be awesome.
Yeah, so
We're supposed to
because
be
the
shooting a video
RX-8's
right
a
now.
lot heavier than this car.
But here we are.
So it kind of... What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another event. We're out here at KYSCCA. We got an autocross event. We got Red House Media behind the camera. Castoro sent me on out today, so we're gonna see if we can kick some butt. So stick around and enjoy the event. Cool. $33.9, not terrible, okay. What'd you think? Up to the line. A little bit of a dance. Hell yeah.
Yeah, baby, yeah!
Oh, don't take it out. We're good. 32.5, a little bit better. All right, so the fastest time I've seen today is a 30 point something, and I'm at a 32. Not terrible, but we're also against Corvettes. All right. Oh, motherfucker. There we go. $32.5. Same as last. It's not bad. We're staying consistent. I'm not mad with consistency. Golly, it's hot. There we go. Damn it, 32.5.
Might be all that car has in it today.
Hey, it's got more. It's me. Let's go. 32.2. A little bit faster. We got this. 32.2. Stay smooth, we got it. Doing good. 31.9, let's go. Now I finally figured it out. We got Big Mike's first event up in the house.
Let's try not to hit no cones. Went inside. Big cones. I was not focused on that at all. Fourth run. Hopefully this one counts. Full send, full send. Beautiful. 39.7. Whew, that was a little bit slidey. All right, come on, get on it. Oh, I'm slick. Coming in hot. A little too hot. A little bit faster. She's feeling a little slick though. Let's get focused here. And try not to get sideways. There we go. There we go. Looks good. Looks good, looks good, looks good, looks good. A little bit of oversteer there. There we go. Last run, I think I'm gonna send it a little bit and hopefully don't slide. Send it. Tires are a little slick, but we got this. A little bit hot.
What is he doing?
He's beginning to believe.
Save it. Slow.
Day two, we're out here at NCM. Got another autocross event, still ended up good overall. I got a competitor today, so we're gonna see what happens. Yep. He's in an ND, so he's gonna be faster than me.
Course is a little bit intricate this time. They got quite a bit of slaloms and loops in it, so it's gonna depend on how fast he can get around that first circle. But had a pretty good day yesterday too. Won my division, he won his division. We're just going to bring home another cup.
Yep.
And again, not hit any cones. Small.
40.8. Dang it. 40.6. Come on, man. Turn the AC off, get some more power. Look where we're going, not at the wall.
I know. That's what I did the second time, and I was like, okay, I'm fine. I just don't look at the wall.
Still a confused fender.
Yep. Perfect. That's what I wanted. Sliding a little bit. A little slick, it's okay. Dang it, 40.4 again. It's still quick. That one's a little slick. We are running at 28 this time. I've been running at 30, trying what my dad was saying yesterday, which has been feeling good. So we'll see. All right, this feels good. All right, yep, I like 28.
Yeah, that's good.
.40. Cut off a couple points. 0.4, okay. I'm sticking with 28, 40.0. It felt a lot better on the Chicago. Yes! 39.6, let's go.
We were going to do an interview, but
and like took the springs
we're talking
off
about
and
specs
put
on
just
his
the
Miata
spring
with
on that
somebody
car
else.
because the spring
this
rate's
happens
a
every
lot
time.
stiffer.
It's going to be awesome.
Yeah, so
supposed to
because
be
the
shooting a video
RX-8's
right
a
now.
lot heavier than this car.
But here we are.
So it kind of
Entertainment while we wait.
Make some for your car.
You talk about the Mustang that
But
we rode in today.
they're really good.
It was very good.
Like kind of
Everything was
entry-level
great.
suspension, not gonna break the bank.
Hollered
anyway.
at some girl on the street. She looked at me and
in most
said,
classes,
"No."
you're still allowed to run stuff. I see him all the time out at events. Yeah, well, guys, great event out here at the NCM Motorsports Park. Super excited. We didn't crash the car and we didn't spin out too much. Had a couple little slides, but had a decent time. We beat my own fastest time, so I can't complain too much. Unfortunately, I did come in second. We'll have to put in there where I came out overall. They'll have all that stuff posted later. But great venue out here at NCM. If you ever get the chance, come check it out. They also got the Corvette Museum. Highly, highly recommend walking through that. And other than that, see you next time.
you guys have a good one.